Hi, Sarah Staar speaking here. Wow, so over the last few weeks, we've been mega busy here at Sarah Staar Business School. We've been developing a brand new mobile phone app for Sarah Staar Business School, and I've been recording a load of new content, especially for you, free content. So things like training videos. I've been recording some audio interviews with experts. I've been recording some new podcasts, all content, free content to go on my new app. Now, you may have heard that I go to a lot of high-end mastermind meetings all over the world. So what I thought I would do when I'm at those events and I meet interesting people is interview them, record it on my phone, and then load them into the app. So you've got access to some absolutely incredible content every single week within the app. So what I'm doing is every week I'll be releasing new content, training videos, newsletters, podcasts directly to the apps, dead easy to use. The great thing about this is with the app, things like the audios, you don't even need an internet connection to make it work. So great if you've got like a long journey and you just want to like listen to some internet marketing audios or some workshop audios or stuff like that. I'd love to have you on board as one of the testers for the app. This is version 1.0. If you would be so kind as to just test this app out for me, I'll give you free access to the app right now. I'm looking for feedback, so if you've got some feedback, if you find a bug, if there's something you would like to see in the app, do comment on this blog post. I'd love to hear your feedback. So why don't we have a look inside the app and see how it works. Now, first of all, I need to apologize for the crudeness of this video. I've never actually filmed a video showing someone how to use a mobile phone app. So I've just got my video camera and pointed it at my phone. So hopefully it should come out okay. Right, so this is the App Store. Obviously, if you're using, this is for Android. If you're using the Apple phone, if you're using an iPhone, you'll just go to the Apple App Store. It'll be very similar. In the Google Play Store though, and it will be the same in the App Store as well, in the Apple App Store. We just search for the search term Sarah Staar, remembering to spell my name with two A's, S-A-R-A-H, S-T-A-A-R. And you'll see there at the top, we've got the green logo there with the two hands shaking. So I've actually already installed this, so it says installed there, but let's just go and have a look. So there we go. There'll be an install button there and you can just install the app. As soon as the app is installed, you can go back to your phone and find the app. So I've got it saved on my home screen, which is right there. So you can see there the little picture there of the two hands shaking. So let's open it up. Now, I'm actually already logged in, but let me just open the app. Here we go. So this is what happens. When you open the app for the first time, and you only ever need to do this once, you need to log into the app. Now, this is the same username and password. So it's your email address that I email you on regularly. So whatever email address you currently use or receive my emails from, that's the email address you put in. And then the password, it's the same password you use to log into staarvideos.com where my products are or the free products are. If you don't know what that is, if you don't know what your password is, no sweat, just click on the forgot password button and your password will be emailed out to you instantly, and then you can just cut and paste in your password into the app. As soon as you've done that, you're logged into the app. You never need to log back in. It's only a one-time thing. And then you have access to the app. So this is the main menu of the app. Now do bear in mind, this is a kind of version 1.0. As you know, I like just acting on information that I hear and getting things out as quickly as possible. So this is a project I put together very quickly, and I'd like your feedback. So I want to get version 2 of this app out as soon as possible. So if you think there's something in this app that's not there, or something you would like to see, or if you think it could work better, please do comment on this blog post. I'd love your feedback, and we'll incorporate those into the next version, which we'll try and get out as quickly as possible in the next few weeks if possible, yeah? So let me just quickly run through what the different things are in the app. So the first thing we have is products here. At the moment, this just links to, so the button there, products on the top left, that just links to staarvideos.com. So you can go there and view your members area. At the moment, you need to log in again. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get the developers to do it so that you'll automatically be logged into that members area. Not quite sure if they can do that or not. But the idea is that you can access all your products on staarvideos.com there. Notifications, so this is a bit like emails, so I can send you messages through the app. Don't worry, I'm not going to be sending you tons of stuff here. This is more kind of letting you know that I've uploaded some new content to the app. So you'll see a little message there. If you click on the More button, this message doesn't actually have very much stuff there, but there might be some more text there or some links to cool stuff. Or if I'm running like a workshop, what I might do is, oh, excuse me, the doorbell. Sorry about that, that was just a delivery from Amazon. So where was I? Yeah, so if you click on the More button, you can see some more text related to that message. So I'll probably also send out notifications if I've got like a London meetup or a workshop coming up and like where you can register for the event. So that's how you would get access to it. If you ever want to go back, you always just click on this arrow to the left here. So this arrow there. Or you can click on the home button and that will take you back to the home screen. There you go. Newsletters, this takes you to my newsletter archive. So this is great if you've maybe missed a newsletter, you want to catch up on one. So we've got examples of my different newsletters here, so we could think, oh, okay, so let's read more about that. And you can then read through previous issues of my newsletter. To get back to the home screen, just click on the X in the top right hand corner. There we go. Tutorials, so these are tutorial videos, free tutorial videos. I'm going to be updating these regularly. Again, this takes you to my tutorial website here. And some of these are videos, some of these are just text. Let's just have a look at one of these, for instance. This is a YouTube advertising. There we go. So there you go. So you can see here different videos. Click on the X, goes back to the home screen. YouTube channel. This will link to this links to my YouTube channel, so you can look at some of my latest goings on YouTube. And then we have podcasts. Now this is actually pretty cool. So let me just delete this one here so I can show you how it's going to look. So every week I'm going to be uploading new audio files. Now I say podcast is a very loose term. I might change the word of this section. It's actually just audio downloads. So as you know, I love listening to audio in the car, on the move, time shifting. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I could have an app which did that for internet marketers? So this is one of the reasons why I developed this app. And what I'm going to be doing here is uploading every week new content, audio versions of my newsletters, interviews I do with other marketers, plus some other cool shows which I've got lined up in the future. So what you can actually do, so let's have a look at this. So the newsletter, this is an audio version of my latest newsletter. If you click on the download button, what it's actually going to do is it's going to download that audio to your phone, which is pretty cool because what this will enable you to do is it enables you to listen to that audio now, even if you don't have an internet connection. So if you're on a train, on an aeroplane or something like that, in the car with patchy kind of internet. Let me just zoom in so you can see that. There we go. So you can listen to that anywhere without an internet connection. Now we've put some cool features in here. So if we click play, what it's going to do, there we go.
Hi there, this is Staar speaking here. This is the audio version of my newsletter from Tuesday, the 22nd of August.
There we go. So that's 10 seconds in now. Now the interesting thing about this is, the thing that always annoys me about audio players on phones is if you stop it, close your phone down, then come back to it tomorrow, it goes back to the beginning if you've only listened to half of it. What we've put into this audio player is some cool technology so that if you listen to, let's say, half an hour of a 1 hour audio interview, and then you come back to it, let's say you listen to half of it on your way to work and then half of it coming home, you can just open the app again, and if we just go back, you can see here, you see it says position 10 seconds. So it knows that we've listened to 10 seconds of that audio. So if we go back now to play, it will...
2017.
There we go. It's left off from where we were last at. So it's a bit, yeah, so very similar to the Amazon's Audible player. And I think critical when you're listening to audios, especially like workshop audios or interviews that might be an hour and a half or something like that, and you only listen to maybe 10 minutes at a time or 20 minutes at a time, then come back and listen to the rest a couple of days later maybe. You need to know where you're up to. So that's why we developed this audio player for you. And like I said, I'm going to be putting audio versions of my newsletters up on here, interviews with marketing experts. I've already done a few of those, and we're going to be uploading new ones every single week now. And one of the other things I've been thinking about doing, and let me know your feedback if you'd be interested in this, and I'll only do this if enough people are interested. I'm thinking about doing a weekly audio podcast show just for this app, which will be looking inside my business each week, what I'm currently doing. So, what is Sarah Staar doing this week? What, ad campaigns am I running? What's working, what's not working? What new products have I purchased? Etc., etc. So that's an example of some of the audio programs that I've got lined up for the audio player, and those are only going to ever be available through the app. So hope you found that useful. There's a quick whiz round. If there's something missing from there, something you'd like to see in the app, do let me know. And if you find any bugs or if you find something difficult to use, do let me know. Comment on this blog post, and would love to hear your feedback. Cheers.